Guys, it is Mass Boys back in another video. Hey guys, so today we are going to be playing the Moto game. Moto X3M bike race game. Yeah. Alright, let's get into the game. Come on, load. Okay.
The whole season is one night. This is your moment. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Do it for the cookies. Warm cookies. Pull, Kringle. Pull. Go. Stale cookies. Vegan, gluten-free cookies. Is it the stress? Pain? Mrs. Claus? What's really holding you back, Chris? Come on. Don't let Rudolph steal the show. There are guns to all, and to all a good night.
Come on, load. Oh wait, no, turn off this one. Oh my god, you should have seen it. Oh! And it's singing too hard. It's singing too hard. What? Everyone shut up. And it's sitting too hard. Come on. Yeah! Yippee-ki-yay!
Ouch! Whee!
It's sitting too hard. It's sitting I hate this!
Wow!
No!
It's the Sprite Holiday Special.
Yeah, you know what makes a season the season? Family. So, let's raise a glass. Who couldn't get in tonight?
I'm Debbie. Debbie's here, y'all. And my brother Ray.
Can't start this party without Uncle Ray.
To the mailman. With my courtside season tickets?
Be grateful for what you have.
All right, Grandpa. No, you have it.
Nope, restart. Ah, I was so close. I can make it! Well, that was a double flip. Guys, that was all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.